Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you again about saws. This is probably going to be the least interesting saw or most least gotten saw of any of the saws I'm going to talk about. It's called the concrete saw. And right now, about you're going to go, oh, concrete saw, I don't need that, and don't click off on it yet because I got a bunch of other information for you too. Now, concrete saws, generally, without exception, I would say 99.9% of them also require water. And the water doesn't do the cutting. The water cools the blade and washes away the concrete powder and keeps it, so it's not up in the air as dust. And basically, if you have like a concrete driveway and you have some work done out there, and rather than jackhammer it up, they'll come in with a concrete saw and cut a line, and another line, and another line, and another line, box the area out. Then they'll jackhammer that out. That way it's easier to repair the driveway. But they're also good for a lot of other things. If you're working with cinder blocks, or if you're down in your basement, you need to cut a hole inside of your basement to get stuff out or whatever. They make them. You can get the blades for them at Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, and then you just got to provide water for them, because these will go in your regular circular saws or in your what's called a chop saw or rescue saw, and it's a handheld gas powered one. But these concrete saws can be very, very helpful in emergency rescue situations. And you're probably saying, well, I don't going to do that. Well, hey, you never know what's going to happen. All right. But so it's just something to think about. I'm not saying you have to get it. Look into it. Think about it. Do I need to get one of those? That's up for you to decide. All right. So right now, if you could get everybody to hit a thumbs up if you haven't hit it yet, make a comment down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Help me out with YouTube with analytics. And we're working our way towards 1,500 subscribers so I can do another big giveaway. And yeah, I think that just about covers it. Oh, we do have channel members, and I'm going to put a video up here for that too. So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here for the my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. I'm going to put a playlist for Prepping for Beginners. You know who to share that with. Prepping in Private. And then over here, I'm going to put the video for the channel membership. All right? Take care. See you around, and don't end up like this.